Is the thumbnail some sort of Rorschach test? I don't know. What are you seeing in the thumbnail? Surely not something indecent with your sinful eyes. Blah, 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 blah. I need to move the chat because it's blocking the text of the game. I'll just put it like right above my head, I guess. Wait, I can move it. Woo! Fancy. Blah, blah, blah. It looks like the top of a tower? Sure it does. Hello! Hello. And welcome to my twisted mind. Welcome to my Java hacking tower. We're gonna play BitBurner today. I've tried to learn JavaScript so many times, and every time it makes me hate myself more. So, anyways, today we're gonna try to learn JavaScript. Free uwu redeem. Yeah. Anyways, welcome to BitBurner, a cyberpunk-themed incremental RPG. The game takes place in a dark dystopian future. The year is 2077. Oh god, if JavaScript is still being used in 2077, I swear to god. This tutorial will show you the basics of the game. You may skip the tutorial at any time. You can also collapse this panel to temporarily hide this tutorial. The tutorial will adjust to your programming ability. BitBurner has two types of scripts. NS1, JavaScript from 2009, very simple, recommended for beginners to programming. And S2, native modern JavaScript, recommended if you know any programming language or are serious about learning programming. That's me! I'll do NS2. Let's start by heading to the stats page. Click stats on the main navigation menu, left-hand side of the screen. JavaScript will be the cockroach that just cannot die. Oh, God. A lot of important information about your progress, such as your skills, money, and bonuses. Ooh. Crime success chance. Hacknet hacking. What kind of hacking? I know, I'm serious. I'm serious about programming today. This is kind of a programming stream. Oh, I didn't mean to skip tutorial! Soft reset. Yeah, go ahead. We just started. Why did they make this skip tutorial button so much bigger than the normal button? Let's head to your computer's terminal by clicking terminal. Terminal is used to interface with your home computer as well as all the other machines around the world. All the ones I'm hacking. I'm a hacker. I'm a big hacker. Yay. Okay, let's try it out. Start by entering help. Woo! Displays a list of all available terminal commands. How to use them? Oh, these are real ones. So it's not just a JavaScript, it's not just a JavaScript. This guy just recreated an entire computer, huh? It's bashful. I'm a hacker robot. Don't you guys know that one of the very first streams I did was like me doing programming challenges, and I called myself Hacker Dog, and then people in the comments were like, "You give a bad name to hackers," and I was like, "It's just a joke. It's a joke." Displays a list of all the available commands. Let's try another command. ls. ls is a basic command that shows files in the computer. Right now it shows that you have a program called nuke.exe on your computer. We'll get to what this does later. Using your home computer's terminal, you can connect to other machines throughout the world. Let's do that now by entering scan. Oh, it's wheel hacking. This is for wheelsies. Shows all available network connections. In other words, it displays a list of all servers that can be connected to from your current machine. Chat is to be hated, not trusted. A server is identified by its host name. That's great and all, but there's so many servers. Which one should you go to? Scan Analyze gives some more detailed information about servers on the network. Try it now. Scan-Analyze. Whoa! Shows it is also possible to run Scan Analyze with higher depth. Wait. Shows more detailed information about each server that you can connect to. Servers that are a distance of 1 node away. It can also provide. It's also possible to run Scan Analyze with a higher depth. Let's try depth of 2 with the following command. It's the same thing. 2. I know how to use command prompts. I know how to use bash. I had to did you guys have to program bash in your did you guys go to school for programming? Did you have to program your own bash? Cuz I did. It sucked. It sucked so bad. It was one of the hardest things we had to do. We had to do it in our operating systems class. It was one of the hardest things we had to do when it was the very first project. Keep an eye on that CSE host. Stop spoiling. Now you can see all information about all servers that are up to 2 nodes away, as well as figure out how to navigate to those servers through the network. You can only connect to a server that is 1 node away. To connect to a machine, use its connect host name. Oh, I'm such a intense hacker. We can see that the Noodles server is only 1 node away. Let's connect to it using connect noodles. Connect to the noodles. Noodles. You are not connected to another machine. What can you do now? Let's hack it. In the year 2077, currencies become digital and decentralized. I hate this game already. Sorry. People and corporations store their money on servers and computers. Use your hacking abilities. You can hack servers to steal money and gain experience. I thought this was supposed to teach me JavaScript. Before you try to hack a server, you should run diagnostics using Analyze. Oh, the ports are closed. You know, I went to a bank today and I was talking with the money people, and he kept asking me about cryptocurrency. It was interesting to see the perspective of cryptocurrency from someone who works in centralized finance. Anyways, for this server, the required hacking skill is only 1, which means you can hack it right now. However, in order to hack a server, you must first gain root access. I know YouTube's doing that weird. Recently Streamlabs chat has been screwed up, and it just like waits a really long time to actually update chat. I don't know what that's about, but I can actually see you guys' chat in real time, so don't worry about what it says on screen. Oh no, my battery's low. My battery's low. Oh, that's not good at all. Hope it can survive at least me finishing this stream. The nuke.exe program that we saw earlier on your home computer is a virus that will grant you root access to a machine if there's enough open ports. Analyze shows that there do not need to be any open ports on this machine for the nuked virus to work. So go ahead and run the virus using run nuke.exe. Where does it show that? The ports are all closed. Oh, required number of ports to be open. Okay, I see. Nuke. Oh, run. Run nuke.exe. Nuke successful. Gained root access to Noodles. You can now run scripts on this server. You have root access. You can hack the server using hack. You are now attempting to hack the server. Performing a hack takes time, and only a certain percentage chance of success. This time and success chance is determined by a variety of factors, including your hacking skill and the server's security level. I hacked successful! I gained money! I got money and hacking experience. I think they might be batching messages to maintain their YouTube API quota. I think so too, to be honest. I think I agree with that assessment. That's what I thought as well. Ah, thank you for the Twitch follow, VT Ty. Oh, it's Ty! I wonder if Ty's here. Ty, are you here? Do you have a YouTube account? If you don't, that's fine. Don't worry about it. Anyways. The amount of money on a server is not limitless. So if you constantly hack a server and deplete its money, then you will encounter diminishing returns in your hacking. What you need to use Grow, which tricks the company into adding more money into their servers, and Weaken, which increases the speed of hack and grow. Weaken. Oh, it decreases the security. Grow. How do you trick people into putting money into an account? Their own account. Okay, let's see here. There we go. Now I want to hack it again. If I hack it again, I'll get more money again. Whoa! Available money on Noodles grown by 1,274%? Whoa! That's too much. Whoa! I got so much money! What the heck? I got so much money! Can I hack them again? Can I just keep going? This is good cybercrime music. Whoa, I got another $4,000! I wish the money this was this easy in real life. I got even... Oh, I got slightly less money that time. Wait. This is silly. Is this a trick? Is this not what the game is? This feels like a fake... This feels like a fake game. This doesn't feel like the game I signed up for. 10k in Neo Dogecoin. Oh god, you're right. This isn't like... This is all in cryptocurrency. Okay, next one. From any server, you can get back home using home. Let's head home before creating our first script. Oh good, finally. Hacking is the core mechanic of the game and is necessary for progressing. However, you don't want to be hacking manually the entire time. You can automate your hacking by writing scripts. Oh. To write a new script or edit an existing one, you can use Nano. Scripts must end in .javascript extension. Make a script by entering nanonoodles.js after the hack command finishes running. Wait. Let's make a script now by entering. Side note, pressing Control and C will end a command like hack or oh okay. Well, this is a bash. Okay. Nano noodles.js. This is the script editor. Oh, this is Sublime. You can use it to program your scripts. Copy and paste the following code into the script editor. Copy and paste? No, I'm a wheel programmer. I don't want to copy and paste. While true. Oops. Await ns dot hack noodles semicolon. For anyone with basic programming experience, this code should be straightforward. This script will continuously hack. I guess NS is what? .hack, and then it does it at the server with this name. Can you enter a server that's many nodes away? Wait, oh, it says. Wait, it says. That's a parameter. Okay. Oh, because okay, this is some parameter. Steals servers money. Oh, it has a RAM cost. A function that is used to try and hack servers to steal money and gain hacking experience. Sorry, I don't know why I'm doing that today. If they made the player use Vim, it would result in too high of a rage quit rate. True. NS is NetScript? Is that a real thing? Wait, is Nano a real program? Is Nano a real Vim? Is real IDE? Text editor? In order to hack a server, you must first gain root access to that server and also have the required hacking level. The script can run hack a server from anywhere. It does not need to be running on the same server to hack that server. For example, you can create a script that hacks the food and stuff server and run that script on any game server in the game. A successful hack at a server will raise the server security level by 0.002. Oh, and it returns the amount of money. As a var. I guess everything's a var. It's JavaScript. Nano is one of the pre-installed text editors in Linux. Huh. Hostname of the server to hack. Optional parameters for configuring function behavior. Returns the amount of money stolen if the hack is successful. 0 otherwise. Okay. To save and close the editor, press the button in the bottom left. Or the button in the bottom left. Oh, this one? Save. And close it. Press the button in the bottom left. Or press Control Save and then Control B. Save. Now we'll run the script. Scripts require a certain amount of RAM to run. You can also run on any machine which you have root access to. Different servers have different amounts of RAM. You can also purchase more RAM for your home server. To check how much RAM is available on this machine, enter free. 8 gigs. We have 4. Wait, what? It says we have 4 gigs of RAM available on this machine. It's a liar. It's a lying man. We have 8. It says 8 so clearly. Run noodles. Spelled noodles wrong. Whatever. Okay, your script is now running. It will continuously run in the background and will automatically stop if the server ever completes. Completes? The code ever completes. The new JS will never complete because it runs in an infinite loop. The tutorial and docs are sometimes outdated. Are you winning, son? I think so. I'm getting a lot of achievements. These scripts could passively earn you income and hacking experience. Your scripts will also earn money and experience while you are offline, although at a slightly lower rate. Oh! Let's check out some statistics for our running scripts by clicking Active Scripts. This page displays all the information of all your scripts that are running across every server. You can use this to gauge how well your scripts are doing. Let's go back to terminal. One last thing about scripts. Each active script contains logs that detail what it's doing. You can check these logs by using the tail command. Do that now for the script that we just ran. Executing noodles in 48 seconds. Failed. Executing noodles in 48 seconds. Okay, logs for this script won't show much right now. It might not show anything at all because it just started running. But check back again in a few minutes. This covers basics of hacking. To learn more about writing scripts, select tutorial. Hey, tutorial heads. Hey. In the main navigation menu to look at the documentation. For now, let's move on to something else. Hacking is not the only way to earn money. The other ways to passively earn money is by purchasing and upgrading HackNet nodes. Let's go to HackNet. The HackNet is a global, decentralized network of machines. It is used by hackers all over the world to anonymously share computing power and perform distributed cyber attacks without the fear of being traced. Did you know in the real world, this HackNet is like... apparently, a lot of it, not a lot of it, but there's, it includes, like, Internet of Things devices, like Hue bulbs, because they have like, low or no security. So they just steal power. They just steal the computing power for them to make DDoS attacks. Anyways, here you can purchase a hacknet node, a specialized machine that can contribute its resources to the hacknet network. This allows you to take a small percentage of profits from hacks performed on the network. Essentially, you are renting out your node's computing power. Each hacknet node you purchase will passively earn you money. Each hacknet node can be upgraded in order to increase its computing power and therefore increase the profit you earn from it. Let's purchase a hacknet for 1,000. Oh, look, I made more money! Wasn't there a botnet running on a hospital equipment? I've not heard specifically about hospitals except for specifically the, there was a worm that ended up accidentally targeting I don't know if it was accidental or purpose, but ended up taking down like all of the NHS. That was stopped by a guy named... His name is on the tip of my tongue. I talked about him a lot a long time ago on stream. Marcus? His name's Marcus. Worm Hospitals. Marcus Hutchins. Go read the Wired article on the confessions of Marcus Hutchins, the hacker who saved the internet. He was, he actually, when he was, like a young teenager, he created all kinds of, wow, my money's going up so quickly. Oh, because of the hacknet. Yeah, IoT is dangerous in ways people don't even think about. Marquess Brownlee, Duchess of the... Whatever. Okay, sorry. You just purchased a hacknet node. This hacknet will, somewhat less sophisticated. Someone went to my local Best Buy and installed crypto mining programs on all the display computers and nobody was looking. Best Buy was not given a cut. Of course not. Both online and offline. You get enough money, you could upgrade your newly purchased hacknet below. Let's go to City. This page lists all of the different locations you can travel to. Each location has something you can do. There's a lot of content out in the world. Make sure you explore and discover. Lastly, click on Tutorial. Tutorial heads! This page contains a list of all the documentation about the game's contents and mechanics. I know it's a lot, but I highly recommend you suggest read or at least skim through this before you start playing. That's the other... I kind of feel like at the end there, he's like, I don't want to keep doing this. And so he's just like, okay, just read it yourself. Oh my god, it takes me to a web page? It takes me to a whole wiki. It's got its own wiki. Oh boy, tutorial heads, oh boy. How do I play the game? Milestones? Milestones don't reward you for completing them. They are here to guide you if you're lost. They will reset if you install augmentations. Gain root access on CSEC. I have to have the wiki page open? Oh, come on. The whole point of me playing this game was that I didn't have to read wikis. Oh. Oh, when I clicked the remote API page, I didn't think that they were going to be telling me about literally the actual API of the game. So I'm supposed to hack CSEC? What is the scan? Was it scan, analyze 2? I guess it's just scan 2. Root access, no. Required. Okay, well, how do I get there? How do I get to here? Do I just have to go around? Let's try Joe's guns. Why not? Or oh, it's harakiri sushi. I figured it out. Harakiri sushi. Again. There it is. Connect to see. Yes. I'm here. Nuke or analyze. Analyze. I spelled analyze wrong. Analyze. Number of ports needed to be open. Okay, so I have to open a port. Can I open ports? Guess we're gonna find out. Open port. Hacking. Gaining root access. Yeah, I get the idea that it can be automated, but I don't know how to do it in the first place, so I should try it manually. I'm not super clear on how this is meant to teach you JavaScript. I believe the way it's supposed to teach you JavaScript is that you automate it, but to be honest, I'm also finding this quite lacking. I was hoping that the tutorial would go on for much, much longer. Why isn't the quick start guide in the game? I thought this was supposed to be a video game. I think it's doing a poor job of separating what's made up for the game and what is a true syntax language. I agree with that as well. Like, yes, Lua knows how to write a while loop. Yeah. What just happened there? Just like went down. Oh, it's progress. It's actually a very elaborate idle game encoding challenge. Well, that's fine, but here's what I thought this was gonna be. I thought this was gonna be like the boot camp, online boot camp things that you do where they give you a challenge and then you write code for it. And that's not what this is. I am a little disappointed, to be honest. I was hoping that's what this was going to be because I don't feel like I'm gonna learn JavaScript from this. I need someone to hold my hand. My hand is so cold. No one's holding it. No one's holding my hand. Want us to give you some more doable challenges instead? No, not really. I don't want you to tell me what to do, Nuos. I want the game to be good. I want the game to be made properly. I have hands? Oh, I know, right? I never show them. For all you guys know, I'm an AI art. I'm not an AI art. Who said I'm an AI art? Okay. Gaining root access. There are 2 ways to execute port opening programs and the nuke virus. Connect to the target server through the terminal and run the program name. Use a netscript function. Oh, I have to write one. I'm pretty sure we saw Lou's hands during maid streams and stuff, also when making Muppets. You don't know that. You don't know that. You didn't see anything. You didn't see anything! You can only infer her hands from the fact that she can type. I could just be rubbing my nubs against the keyboard. You don't know that. Okay, so the only way to open a port is by writing a script. You know, on one hand, I very much sympathize with not wanting to write a tutorial. especially for a game that's this complex. Because tutorials suck and they're not fun to make. Yeah, I don't know. Is it Nano? Oh, that's right, I have to write the script name. Oh boy. Those were Lua's stunt hands. I gotta put on my hands for the stream. If I'm gonna see my hands, I gotta put them on for today. Let's see, there's 2 ways to determine how many ports need to be open on a server in order to be successfully nuke it. Connect to that server through the terminal and analyze the command. Use the get server num ports required netscript function. Oh, okay, so I just run this. Can I put in more parameters? I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to use JavaScript! Get num. No, get. I probably have to do dot server. It's. I guess this is where the learning begins, but they're supposed to teach me. That's what well, maybe this game was just marketed to me incorrectly. This game seems like it would be fun for someone who already knows JavaScript. I agree with that sentiment. You have to tell the server how many nodes you could fit in your mouth. And then run nuke. What was it called? Nope. Sorry. Didn't write that. That was an accident. That was a slip. They're right next to each other. That might not be it. That is it. Oh, this is not what I meant to do. Let's see. General hacking mechanics. When you execute the hack command, either manually, and then I need to hack it, right? I wonder if I had said NS1 if it would have given me more tutorial. I don't think it would have. Okay. That's great, but I need to open... Use a netscript function. Okay, I guess I have to go to each of... I don't understand what these do. They just said use a netscript function. For what purpose? Okay, brute SSH runs the brute SSH exe program on the target server. What does that mean? I guess it just tries to open up the SSH port. Okay. Sure. Is one of these better to use? Runs the FTP crack program on the target server? I guess any one of these just tries to open up one of those. So I guess we'll just keep spamming brute SSH. I guess that's what they want us to do. Brute SSH on CESC. I don't have brute SSH. Okay. Democracy is dead. The fall of an empire. They rose from the shadows in the strait. from the places where the oppressed meet. Their cries echoed loudly through the air, as they once did in Tiananmen Square. Loudness in the silence, darkness in the light, they came forth with power and might. Once the beacon of democracy, America was first, its pillars of society destroyed and dispersed. Once the cries so rose everywhere with revolt and riot, until one day finally all was quiet. From the ashes rose a new order. Corporatocracy was its name. Rome, Mongol, Byzantine. Byzantine. All of history is just the same, for man will never change in a fundamental way, and now democracy is dead in the US of A. They should have put an of there. Check create program tab. That should have been in the tutorial. That should have absolutely been in the tutorial. Oh god, I have to go that many wait, okay. Okay. This page displays any programs that you are able to create. Writing the code for this program takes time, which can vary based on how complex the program is. If you are working on creating a program, you can cancel at any time. Your progress will be saved and you can continue later. Byzantine. Yeah, Byzantine. I thought that was a... To be honest, I always thought Byzantine was an adjective, but that said it like it was a place. Is it a place? Autolink unlocks in 20 hacking levels. As in I have to do 20 more? It unlocks at 25, or does it unlock at 20? This program allows you to directly connect to other servers through the scan analyze command. Byzantium. Bazingatium. The brute SSH. Okay. So I have to be, okay. See, if he would have at least taken me to the create program tab, then I would have understood what my objective was. How do I go home? Okay. I get it. I have to run a bunch of scripts to get to my hacking level up really fast and high. I get it now. Okay, okay, okay. Nano, scan. Let's go to Sigma Cosmetics. I bet those Sigma males have a lot of Botox, so LS. They have no files in their system. Cool. Analyze. We can hack it. Security level 10. That's pretty high. So we need to write a script to hack this. But we can nuke it right now. Nuke.exe. Nope. Run. Nuke.exe. Okay, we can now run scripts on this server. So let's just make a script on this server. Buy a lot of ash gray foundation. We'll just call this Sigma mail. .js. Dash cosmetics? I think it was like that, right? Oops, that's not a string. Yep. Okay. Let's, see, this is the kind of thing I would have liked it to... I don't even know if that's how you do for loops in JavaScript. Actually, we should probably weaken it every time because it's already got a 10. Oops! Ah! We'll just do a weaken, hack, grow cycle. That's how you write normal loops? Okay. I had to really stop myself from writing int. Weaken, hack, grow. Can I? Surely I must be able to... get the, like, security level. Get server security level. There we go. If server security level... I'll deal with that later. Let's just do this. Okay. Runtime error. Concurrent calls to NetScript functions are not allowed. Did you forget await? Oh. I have to await. I have to wait on each of these things because they take more than one frame. Cool. Types on my JavaScript, purple frame. Oh, what the heck? I don't know why. So that's from the throwing system, which you can't even use right now because we're not on Twitch. But I don't know why it does that. I really have absolutely no idea why it does that. I don't know what makes it appear, and I don't know anything. I don't know anything. Anyways, let's go home. Let's go to Harakiri Sushi. They don't have any files. We can nuke them. They've got a lot of money. You can run multiple instances of the same script on the server if you give it a different arg. Interesting. How much RAM am I using? Can't remember where that is written. Or is it in the terminal? Wait. 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 Since I'm running these on their other computer, aren't I using their RAM? Oh. Well, let's do that then. Let's go back to Sigma. Oh. There we go. That's fine. Script requires 2 gigs! That's wacky. Let's go back to the very first one we went to. Wait. Noodles, right? Mem and then the script. Where's my noodle script? Did I not actually make that? Did I actually put that on my home thing? I sure did. Hackers starting handbook.lit. Let's go to food and stuff. I just want to see what. Here we go. This is what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's what it's all about. Woo! Do you guys remember Hypnospace Outlaw? I'm so excited for the sequel. A recent study by analytics company Wilson Incorporated shows a significant rise in criminal activity in Sector 12. Perhaps the most alarming part of the statistic is that most of the rise is in violent crimes such as homicide and assault. According to the study, the city saw a total of 21,406 reported homicides in 2076, which is over a 20% increase compared to 2075. Yeah, there's a Hypnospace Outlaw sequel coming out. I'm really excited about it. CIA Director David Glaro says it's too early to know whether these figures indicate the beginning of a sustained increase in crime rates or whether the year was just an unfortunate outlier. He states that many intelligence and law enforcement agents have noticed an increase in organized crime activities and believes that these figures may be the result of an uprising from criminal organizations such as the Syndicate and Slum Snakes. Why does Food and Stuff have this on their network? I guess this is what they call environmental storytelling. Analyze. I'm in. Okay. Jacob Slash committed 4,316 of last year's murders. He's an outlier and should not have been counted. Yep. What's this place called? Food and Stuff. No! Whatever, let's just do that. And then let's run it. And run in, and run in, and I lose control of the body and soul. Nice. What we got going on? What's my hacking level? It's 20. How many do I need until I can... 15 more? Okay, so it is relative. I think hack and the other commands default to the current host if you don't give them any arguments. That would be ideal. I hope that's true. Let's contribute to my hacknet. Oops, I've wasted all my money. Well, I could also just make them stronger, huh? So this is the Matrix reboot. I know, right? This is the Matrix tie-in game. I will say, I love idle games. I wish I had known this was an idle game walking into it. It wouldn't have deterred me from, Oh, I'm... Okay. I didn't quite understand what I was doing there, but now I do. I need more money! Is that charisma? Why do I have strength, defense, dexterity, agility, and charisma? How does my programming have charisma? Check out the city. Where am I? I'm at food and stuff, I guess. You put funny elite hacker jokes in comment lines, I guess. Or when your program needs to seduce a CPU or something. On the white letter to go there. Oh. Apply to be an employee? Oh, it increases my stats. I'm doing real life stuff. See, so if I focus on it, it goes up a lot faster. A lot faster. My charisma is increasing. Look at that. I'm becoming more charismatic by the second. Don't you guys think I'm so funny? Focusing is the same rate, the number just updates quicker. Oh. Oh, because it's one less thing of significance. One less, what is it called? A degree of significance? Wait, apparently Tumblr? Sorry, not Tumblr. Is Twitter breaking down in real time right now? Why is everyone talking about how Twitter is dying in real time? Surely it's not in real time. Significant digits, that's right. I've heard rumors to that effect. People are talking about Twitter dying in real time because of Elon Musk literal lockout of the buildings. But Twitter's not gonna die in real time because they're locked out of the buildings. That's pretty funny though. I mean, I'll jump in on that train. I'll link my Tumblr. Everyone go follow my Tumblr, by the way. It's just luolucky.tumblr.com. I think. I love Tumblr. I'm honestly loving Tumblr, and we need Tumblr is a good platform for VTubers, and the VTuber space in Tumblr is like dead, and that should not be the case. VTuber Tumblr should be popping off. How do I get to my profile? I'm so Tumblr stupid. I can't figure out how to get to my own profile. Here it is. Nope, that's not it. Oh, here it is. I finally found it. Yeah, luolucky.tumblr.com. Go follow me. tweet. There's Hololive fan art, and that's basically it. Well, the problem is the Hololive fan art isn't even... It's not even... It's reposted Hololive fan art. That's bad. That sucks. I hate that. I refuse to follow blogs that just reblog. That just repost stuff from Pixiv. That's stupid. But yeah, anyways. Oh, message from unknown sender. I know you can send...
I know you can sense it. I know you're searching for it. It's why you spend night after night at your computer. It's real, I've seen it, and I can help you find it, but not right now. You're not ready yet. Use this program to track your progress. The flight.exe program was added to your home computer. Jumper. This message is saved at j0.msg onto your home computer.
Oh, cause I got the program. I got the first program. I got the thing. I'm gonna quit. Yeah, I got a lot of reputation. They liked me. Create program. Ooh, okay, we'll just sit here. Tumblr has good things going for it, not limiting the number of people you can follow and keeping track of all reposts and likes. Twitter dumps those after a certain number. Interesting. I also like that the Tumblr algorithm on it doesn't really mess with the order of your posts. That's good too. I like that. Like that about it. Remember to follow my Tumblr at lualucky.tumblr.com. We're having a good time over there. We're doing wacky stuff. So many people are going to Newgrounds of all places. What's up with that? Oh my goodness. Chronological is so good, yeah. Follow. I'm glad all the people are posting their Tumblrs. I would like to, Tumblr doesn't really have an algorithm on the main dashboard. I mean, it has a system for determining what posts show up on your dash, but it's not sort of layman mean that they mean the algorithm. Yeah. Well, they have an additional, they throw in posts that they think you might like, and obviously that's an algorithm, but other than that, yeah. Is Newgrounds in Java? What? Yeah, there's someone that was like, y'all are tweeting about how Tumblr's dying, or Twitter's, I messed them up in my brain, how Twitter's dying, you're gonna be back tomorrow. I agree with that. Twitter's not gonna go anywhere. How long is this gonna take? We'll just do something else. Because Newgrounds doesn't care about what you post as long as it isn't illegal. DA is adding AI art features, but the opt-out of individually art piece, and not gonna lie, has fewer— Oh! They changed that, Batsu. They changed that. DeviantArt already fixed— you're already opted out automatically. They already fixed that. Even Pixiv is tightening up on creators these days. To be fair, the only restriction that Pixiv added was, hey guys, don't post illegal things, maybe? Thank you. What social media is more fun? I think Tumblr is the most fun. Like, I don't see depressing stuff on Tumblr nowadays. Like, since I've joined, Tumblr's just been like cool, cool art and GIFs and jokes. It's very image-based. It's a very image-based platform. Which is why it's funny to me that so many artists are moving to Instagram. Because I like Tumblr better. Instagram is actually worse than Twitter. I can say that with a confident authority. Yeah, the Pixiv stuff is getting restricted because of the Visa or the credit card companies being like, hey, we won't allow you to do this if you're hosting illegal content. I escaped Instagram because they're focused on video. See, that's the thing. Ask anyone who stayed on Instagram how Instagram is doing. It's bad. The answer is bad. They're doing bad. MasterCard and Visa don't want to be associated with certain things. Well, yeah. They don't want to be associated with, like, highly illegal content. Oh, here's my home one. Okay. Let's go to Noodles. And run the Noodles script over here, too. Can I run scripts from my computer here? Nope. Okay. I gotta recreate them from here. I guess the idea is that you just run... I don't know. SCP. Oh. I don't know what the arguments are for SCP. Yeah, you can automate file copying to other hosts too. What is the arguments for SCP? Oh, right. Help. Okay, so I have to run it from home. I say SCP the Noodles script to Noodles. Okay, and then we go to Noodles, connect to Noodles. And then we run it. Now, weak. Okay, whatever. Let's go back home. And what we got going on? How's this doing? We're almost 50% of creating autolink. I don't really care about autolink. I care about brute SSH, but whatever. NetScript also has SCP. I mean, I can read you, Nuos. But yeah, it's not Stream Elements, it's Streamlabs. I use Streamlabs chat. E.g., you could do like for all hosts SCP run. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I get it. I could do it in code. I get it. Yeah. Honestly, my favorite part about idle games is just not playing those. So I'm just gonna I'm just gonna sit here and look at people doom posting about Twitter. Not someone saying a second Elon Musk has hit Twitter HQ. God, the jokes people are making. Sorry, anyways. This is riveting content, huh? At least we're halfway through getting auto link, although I won't be able to, I don't think I'm planning on doing anything once I get there. Let's see, we can also, let's go to the CIA. Oh wow, never mind. Let's be a gun. Oh!
Soon you will be contacted by a hacking group known as MateSec. They can help with your search. You should join them, garner their favor, and exploit them for their augmentations, but do not trust them. They are not what they seem. No one is. Jumper. This message will self-destruct.
Have I heard of Inkblot? It's a new art platform. No. Well, art platforms don't really service me, to be honest. I was never even a big Instagram person. Congratulations, you are now employed at Joe's Guns. How many things can I do at once? Oh shoot, well I can't do I can't do this, apparently. Okay, so one thing. The answer is one. The answer is one thing at once. Let's take a look at the hacknet. Okay, we got lots of money. I don't know what having more RAM does, but we're gonna do it. Yay! We have more RAM. You have so many servers, but only one body. That's me in real life, too. That's an issue for me IRL, too. Let's see, I still have 500k. Get another. Okay, I see. Let's see here. Chongqing, Ishima, even New Tokyo. Oh, the Six Sigmas. Wow. It's a lot of charisma and a lot of hacking. Why are these not moving? Does it update every time I click on this? What happened to old Tokyo? Oh, the bars are RAM usage. Oh, okay. Okay, sorry about that. I assumed that they were the I was actually confused when I thought it was the progress of the script, because I'm like, that doesn't make any sense. It makes way more sense that it's RAM usage. Okay. Honestly, this game would have been a lot better if they had even just gone one more step and told me to click on, like, told me about the create program thing. And then I would have been like, okay, so like this is my next goal. But they stopped right before they decided to show me a goal. I agree, yeah. I guess I should start posting when I'm gonna be streaming on Tumblr, huh? But I feel like Tumblr are for posts with like longevity. So maybe I'll just like make a post that like, hey, I'm live, and then I'll delete the post when I'm not live anymore. Actually, you can embed your Twitch stream directly into a Twitch post or Tumblr post, which is cool. I keep switching them up. I had to go through a lot of the docs to realize how insane the level of automation is allowed. I mean, yeah, I'm not surprised. That's kind of the game, although to be honest, again, I don't think I've learned JavaScript. I think that learning JavaScript is the conceit of the game. Why do so many social media platforms start with a T? That's a good question. I feel like T is just like a good letter. Like T is a strong but neutral letter. And it feels good at the start of a word on your tongue. Taste Talk. Taste Took? Oh, I thought that was a TikTok. I guess it is a TikTok. TikTok and Facebook together is Taste Took. You can change the UI directly if you want to hook up macros. TikTok, Twitter, Tumblr. I ran out. I also think T sounds good at the start of words, but you're biased. Fair. Tinterest, Tinstagram, Two Grounds, I don't know any social media platforms. Typespace, there we go. Trunchy Troll. You know, I used to spend a lot of okay, it is absolutely moving so much quicker when I'm focused on it, Nuos. You're full of crap. Anyways, what was I saying? Ah!
We've been watching you. Your skills are very impressive. But you're wasting your talents. If you join us, you can put your skills to use and change the world for the better. If you join us, we can unlock your full potential. But first, you must pass our test. Find and install the backdoor on our server. CyberSec.
This message will self-destruct on your home computer. Looking at the docs, you can even automate the purchase of server upgrades. Oh, yeah, I'm not surprised. I mean, the game itself has an API. I'm sure you can do whatever you want. It's almost the weekend. Woo! Woo! It even has a remote API for if you want to play it on the go. Yeah. Yep. Okay, we're almost there. Woo! You finished creating autolink.exe. The new program can be found on your home computer. Tomorrow's the big day. It's Belindra's debut date tomorrow. You're all gonna be there, right? I know. I see a few people that are gonna be there. 8 p.m. PST. Belindra.twitch.tv. It's gonna be exciting. Very exciting. So this is anyways, this is an idle game. You can call it an incremental RPG all you want, but this is an idle game. So I don't know. I think I'm good on this for now. This game is not achieving what I was hoping it would. And I don't really feel like playing an idle game right now. That's your first PowerPoint presentation in over 5 years? That's the true debut. I make so many PowerPoint presentations because I used to do so many DTLs with my friends. Oh wait, I'm on Hack 53. That means I can create the next program. Never mind, it's in 22 levels. Oh no, wait, it's right here. Hell yeah. No wait, go back, focus. Maybe it is going up at the same rate. It definitely feels like it's more right here. I'm sure someone's made an idle game, which is also an idle game, but I don't think I've seen one. Idle Manager is kind of an idle game. It's kind of an idle game. It's more of a business sim than an idle game, though. It's a great game, by the way. If you like idols or like and idle games and business sims, particularly if you like business sims and idols, you should play Idle Manager. Are we hacking into the CIA? Right now, we're apparently creating some program that will open up ports on this. It's not the CIA, it's the CSEC, which I have absolutely no idea what that is. But we're trying to hack them right now, and so to do that, we need to open up their ports. So we're making a brute SSH port script, I guess. Anyways, this is an idle game. Yeah, it's an idle game that's supposedly supposed to teach you JavaScript, and I've learned absolutely nothing. Isn't that the Canadian NSA? Is it? I'm Googling this. CSCE. Oh. Don't Google that. The answer's no. Lua refuses to use the scripting portion, but that's okay. I used the scripting portion! And now I'm reaping the rewards. I'm using the scripting portion as much as I'm allowed to, basically, right now. I don't know what the auto-link thing does, and I don't really care. I'm assuming that it basically, like, allows me to troll through networks automatically, kind of. But, like, I can't do much once I get there, because I can only use... I guess I could technically hack some more of the local ones. The local servers. But, like, I don't know, it's just a little repetitive. It's just a little repetitive. Is this legal? Nothing is legal. You can write a script that self-replicates. Yeah, but that's not JavaScript, and I don't care. I don't really care. I was really hoping this was gonna be programming challenges in JavaScript, and that's just not what this is. They changed the name to the CSE. Okay, I'll Google that instead. Oh, it auto-corrected. That's not what I wanted. It's too overloaded of a, term. The Communications Security Establishment. CSE is Canada's national cryptology agency, providing the government of Canada with information technology security and foreign signals intelligence. I feel like the NSA is more focused than that. I feel like the NSA is specifically, like, just intelligence gathering. Yeah. The NSA provides foreign signals intelligence to our nation's policymakers and military forces. They just gather information. They don't even, like, do anything about it. You couldn't pay me to use lambdas. We're not— wait, HP? I just realized that says HP. What do you mean HP? What do you mean HP? Do you mean— is this game trying to tell me that I'm going to be attacked in real life? Okay, so you start at 100%. These are multipliers. Okay, that makes more sense. Let's go to our hacknet. Hewlett Packard. Oh, it's my Hewlett Packard points, of course. Why do you think they call it hacking, Lua? Watch out for axes. Oh no. Oh no, I gotta dodge them like Germa. Gotta dodge them like Germa. Dodge the axes that are being thrown at my head. Apparently. Okay. Gee, Lua, why does your mom let you have 10 Hewlett Packards? Because my family's rich, Nuos. Maybe if your family was more well off and not so poor, you'd be able to have more Hewlett Packards. Is that how you do it? You buy the printer, the ink runs out, and you buy a new one? Honestly, you guys, my printer has been out of ink for months and months and months now, and I actually have to go get ink because I have some forms that they require you to print out and mail to them, even though every other place lets you just do it online. It's so frustrating. It's so frustrating. Ugh. Oh my god, someone's saying thinking Twitter is suddenly shutting down is the same vibe as Facebook users sharing a chain message. Honestly, not gonna lie. That's pretty funny. One word to scare Lua, faxes. I'm going to a doctor. Oh, my phone just died. Damn it. Well, I guess that's a good place to end stream as any. But I'm going to a doctor in a few weeks, and they want me to fax the stuff to them, and I'm like, over my dead body. I'll drive it to you. Anyway, guys. Anyway, printing feels like such a thing of the past. Honestly. I used to print all my stuff at school. I used to just go to school and print it all there in the library. It was great. Anyway, guys, I don't have a face anymore, so, how's the hacking? It's going okay. I think we're actually done for today. We're done hacking for today. I didn't even get to finish, making my brute SSH program. Mailing physical papers still seems less old school than using a fax. Yeah, but it's more expensive. I hate that. My mom actually still has a fax machine in her house, and she still gets faxes on it, which is so funny to me. You'll just, like, in the middle of the night hear and it's always some ad. She gets ads faxed to her, you guys. Anyways, I'm glad you liked the stream. I wish I had learned more JavaScript, but maybe I learned something about hacking? Probably not. I don't think I learned anything, to be honest, but, yeah, I mean, it's a fun-ish game. Who sends spam faxes? People targeting doctors. People targeting licensed doctors, actually. It's the answer to you. Yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday, and we are... Belindra's having her debut at 8 p.m. and also the Unlucky SMP, which is a Minecraft server that I'm running, is starting tomorrow at 6 p.m. And it's the Luaverse, and it's also some other VTubers and streamers and a couple of their friends. And it'll be a lot of fun. I'm really excited about it. We're using an insane mod pack called Dream Pack. It's gonna be wacky. That's gonna be on Twitch, by the way. Both Belindra's debut and the Minecraft SMP stream are gonna be on Twitch. So please go follow me on Twitch. If you're not following me on Twitch, go follow me on Tumblr. If you're not following me on Tumblr, lualucky.tumblr.com. I like Tumblr a lot better than Twitter, but I do still post all my stream updates to Twitter only right now. So yeah, I'll talk to you. Mod packs are so fun. This one, it's got 200 mods in it, this mod pack, the Dreamcraft mod pack. So yeah, I'm gonna be testing it tonight, and we're gonna make sure it's all good. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for that. Goodbye, 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 goodbye.